This is a quick intro to using our archival collections catalog, which is where you can search the finding aids from McGill's archival collections. For more on finding aids, you can watch our video on the topic. Displayed on my screen is the main page of the catalog. At the top of the page, you will notice a Browse button and a search bar. The Browse button allows you to browse the entire catalog according to different categories. For instance, if you want to browse all of the materials that have been digitized, you can click on Digital Objects. This will pull up all the materials that have been digitized in our archival collections. You'll notice that the search bar remains as you go from one page to the next. To do a simple search, you can simply enter a term. When you start entering a term, you'll notice that suggested matches appear. I recommend ignoring these and just pressing the search icon because you might miss out on useful results that are not an exact match to what is being suggested. Another tip is to always try a variety of spellings. For instance, labor spelled with a U versus without will bring up different results. There are a couple of things you'll notice on your search results page. You will see the number of total results, how many results have digitized materials included with the descriptions, and you also have sorting options, which are right above your search results on the right side of the page. All search results will have a title, a reference code, and the level of description will be identified. This is important to note because it's telling you if the description is an item, a file, a series, or a phone. For more details on what all that means, you can watch our finding aid video. Each result will also tell you what collection the description is part of. So for instance, the way I would read this first result is that it's a file, which is part of the Noel Buxton phone, and the file's title is Move to Labor and into Labor Government. On the left-hand side, you are provided with more filtering options. So if I only wanted to see results related to the Noel Buxton phone, I could click on Noel Buxton. If I wanted to even further filter my results, and I only wanted to see the files in the Noel Buxton phone, I could click on Level of Description and then File. You can see all your filters at the top of your search results, and you can also remove the filters by clicking on the X. To get more information on a specific search result, you can simply click on the title, and this will pull up the entire description for that result. That concludes our quick intro to using our archival collections catalog.